What are some of the headaches that IT departments face in the enterprise storage market?
Growing these data centers is prohibitively expensive. So IT managers have to deliver all of this additional capacity and performance all within constrained data centers that have a limited amount of power and a limited amount of air conditioning. Really tough problem. The capacity optimized enterprise drives are starting to alleviate a lot of the growth issues associated with IT data centers. This allows IT managers to support higher volumes of data with fewer drives, a lower physical footprint, a lower power footprint. It's important to understand that data comes in various flavors. There's hot data that is actually a very small portion of the overall data. There's warm data, which is your typical everyday file server, web server, email server. And then there's colder data, which is legislated by things like Sarbanes-Oxley and HIPAA and records management. Samsung sees enterprise solid-state drives as a complement to enterprise hard drives. We see a use case that involves hot data and cold data, where a fairly modest amount of the overall capacity of hot data is stored on high-performance SSDs, and the remainder of the warm data and cold data are stored on the F1R enterprise class high-capacity drives. IT managers are finding out that where last year 10,000 RPM drives would suffice, that this year our 7,200 RPM capacity-optimized drives are perfectly reasonable, simply because of increased bit density that yields increased sequential performance, and obviously the capacity benefits that yield great gig per dollar and great gig per watt. So all of the YouTube, MySpace, Facebook, Hotmail, all of these large amounts of data are stored on these capacity-optimized Samsung drives. With drives getting larger and larger, reliability is of increased importance. There's more data on them. Samsung focuses a lot of time and energy and quality processes toward delivering high reliability. Our F1R enterprise class drives offer 1.2 million hours of mean time to failure, which is an enterprise class of reliability. It offers all of this on a 24/7 duty cycle, and it's supported by the industry's best 7-year warranty. So we're standing behind our product with a very strong warranty. And our drive is best in class in power. So not only does it consume less energy, heat is the enemy of reliability. So since they emit less heat, they are also more reliable. Our products are lead-free, so there's a RoHS industry standard for lead-free devices. We subscribe to that and adhere to that 100% of our products. There's also a halogen-free industry standard that we adhere to. We're participating in the Green Grid, which is a data center greening industry consortium. The capacity march is relentless. More users, more applications. The need for records management's not going away. The increased need for video surveillance, broadcast video, video for training, video for video conferencing, those are all going to continue to march forward. We continue to have higher capacity drives, we have higher reliability drives, and we work with our industry co-travelers to develop systems that can take advantage of the performance optimized plus the capacity optimized dynamic data migration approach.